Okay, before we start this video, just go down there, hit the subscribe button, like this video. You're gonna like it because you're here. So just hit the button. Let's ramp up those numbers, fam. And now the video begins. Hi. Don't mind the noise, that's Marsha. She's in the back. But I wanted to film this before I forgot to. So here goes. Hold on, I have a big surprise. I got 3 plants today. Now, I go through this thing where I'm like, I'm not gonna buy plants. Plants are my drug. Imagine it this way, if this were the 80s, plants would be crack for me. Plants are my fix. I ain't no plants are my fix. And I need some plants. So, let me show you what I got. I'm really excited about it. I'm embracing color, right? I went into this store not too long ago and I saw for the first time a red Bristle Philodendron, and I'm obsessed, but I don't know where to get it. So I'm liking this color red. Usually it's all about the greens, maybe a little bit of variegation, but are you ready? This right here is a Philodendron Imperial Red. And when I tell you, this sucker was only $22 at the Union Square Farmers Market. Look at this. I'm just gonna show you these guys in this video. I'm gonna plant them later. I'm gonna give you care tips and all that. But I didn't wanna take them out of the bag and not show you what they are, all right? When I tell you that the Union Square Farmers Market is up in their game when it comes to plants, wait till you see the other 2 I got. And one was only $10 and the other one was only $8. How could I not buy these? But look how beautiful this guy is. And look at these wonderful red petioles. I can't take it. I can't. All right, so this is one. This is my Philodendron Rudolph. And look at this. Look at these wonderful leaves. Look at that. I like smelling the leaves. I don't know why. But these petioles are amazing. And look at this wonderful shape right here. Gorge. Here's my next one. Hold on. This it's gonna take me a minute. Hold on. This is a Philodendron Squamiferum. I'll give you guys tips on these once I learn them. I have to do a little bit of studying. But look at this. Can you see right along the petiole? It has these bristles. And this embrace in color that I have is all because I found this plant called a philodendron, or a red bristle philodendron, and I gotta find them. I found it once, but I waited a little bit too long to get it. Now it's not available. But look at this. These wonderful leaves, and look at the petioles. Beautiful. All right, so those are my 3 plants. Again, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna plant these guys, I'm gonna give you care tips, how to keep them alive, because I wanna keep them alive so I can do a little bit of studying. But we'll circle back later. I just wanted you to meet my new kids. All right, talk to you later.